What's up guys, today I'm here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg for a very special day. I am able to ride the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. It is open for members. It officially opens for everyone else, I think in 2 weeks from now. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a ride. I want to say I'm really impressed with this entrance. They did a really good job with the signage and the overall surrounding area. For those who don't know, this station building was actually the home of a previous coaster here, Drachenfire, a aerodynamics custom looping coaster. Didn't last very long, didn't have a good reputation, wasn't the smoothest, but now it is reused for the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. And it looks very nice.
Two seats and pull the harness down over your head and shoulders. Once the height comes to a complete stop, please lift up your harness and exit carefully. Enjoy your ride on the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge. Welcome back. Once the height comes to enjoy your ride on the Big Bad Wolf, the Wolf's Revenge.
If you don't remember, we were with him on Iron Gwazi. Now we're at Williamsburg on Big Bad Wolf. How did we end up here? I don't know. All right, let's go. Getting off the ride, I think it's a very fun and enjoyable coaster. Not too crazy of forces on it, but you know, it doesn't really need it. It's a family coaster, right? I love the setting of it. I love how it kind of goes back there in the woods. I love the village that you just narrowly miss at the end. Yeah, overall, I think they did a great job, especially with the theming. Yeah, overall, I am very, very impressed. I like everything that they've done here. So yeah, I would recommend coming out here to Busch and riding the Big Bad Wolf, Wolf's Revenge. It's a good ride. Just don't expect too much. Then I think if you set your expectations right, it'll be fun. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.